Alright here. So this is the final product on this little patch here on my 98 Ford Ranger. I'm going to grind off, I want to grind off, it'll help if I plug in my grinder, using a 36 grit disc on this grinder. And I'm going to grind off the Flux core weld that I did on this patch. First class I'm putting on the truck right now. You know, and it's a learning process. That's why I call this Ranger the learning vehicle. I can remember when I talked to I went to a collision specialist, and I said, yeah, how much do you guys do? Do rocker panel fix and reduce the truck? They said it'd be about $10,000. And I thought about that and I said, well, maybe I can do it cheaper. And you guys said, yeah, you probably could. But the reason why is for the specialists, they got to use that PB&G paint, they say, and you got to, basically, they help determine, and so they said it's basically an all-restoration. I went to a couple places. And I figured, even if I put $2,000 learning into the truck, I'll still be well ahead. And I learned a thing or two about body work and painting. Being that this is a 98 truck, but we have just entered 2022, literally today, January 1. Truck is well over 21 years old. It's done really good. I'm just letting the grinder do the work. I'm not putting any pressure into it. Any pressure, I'm just letting the grinder do the work. I'm concentrating on the actual grind. On the weld, I'm sorry. On the weld. Once I get it to where I think, I'll work on hammering it down a little bit. I don't want to grind off all the weld that I did, right? In terms of water tightness, feel, I don't know. I'll have to get behind the panel and maybe take a look. I got some food filler I'm going to throw on there behind the panel. So I can get this down there low. Best angle, based on all the other videos that I've done on this, is the best angle and lighting that I've found yet. I might keep this angle. Might have to find some more things to switch this. I can tell you now, it was taking me about 3 hours to get this patch in. Learn to get the welder setting right, and then burn through and hold. So About 7 years ago, 4.5 angle grinder. Paid about maybe $25 for it or something. I used on everything. Filled up a little pinhole here. I'm gonna see if I can get it flat. I had a stuff to weld right out of it. There we go. I'll figure out what to do with that. Once all said and done, you guys will fast forward to the end. I don't have any editing software on this computer. Let's just take a look at that. Glasses. Oh yeah. That's the way Bob will do. This stuff only has 163,000 miles on it. Frame's actually doing pretty good. Considering the age, man. 25 years old. I guess I could probably go flatter. Let's see here. Pick me an old hammer. See all the rust falling out the backside. Pick this nifty tool hammer dolly set up at the old Harbor Freight as well. Experimenting how to use some of this stuff. New to me. Man, that's pretty cool. penetrates pretty dang good, these little hammers. See if I can get this here. That's about as low as I want to go. I don't want to hit the metal. It's only a 20 gauge sheet metal. So reckon I'm gonna have to come back through and touch up some of this weld anyway. Yep. Anyway, that's it right there. Let you guys take a closer look at it. Oops. Sorry about that. Get the focus. Whew. There you go. That's what it is right there. Have to come back through, and yeah, there's some little pinholes in there. I'll touch it back up with the welder. I'll see if I can maybe throw some weld in that. And I'll put a patch there. Whew, lordy. Anyway, that's going to be the monster that I'm going to hit next. Then I got this whole section right here as well. Yeah. Capture that photo. I'm going to try something new here. Never took a picture while I'm videoing. Okay, well guys, like I was saying, my 1998 Ranger XLT, 4-wheel drive. What I was talking about, I think it has 163,846 miles, manual transmission, and my 4-wheel drive. Alrighty, well guys, if I can do this, you guys can do it too. This video is dedicated to those who want to maintain and fix it themselves. You guys have yourself a good Ablecraft day. Welcome to January 1st, 2022. Alright, y'all.